Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Mr. Padias Grove from Signature FX, and I'm gonna firstly start off by saying that this is a good example of making your analysis in a technical aspect. However, having news and information come out that you, on the one hand, couldn't foresee, and on the other hand, news that you didn't think was impactful really affect the markets in a huge way. So let's just start by looking at the charts. And like I said, I'm the first to admit when I'm wrong. It was a call that was based on technicals, and we had a slew of information come out, which caused it to cause Bitcoin to really move in the opposite direction. On the 28th of October, came out with our very first Signature FX video, and Bitcoin just did not agree with what my analysis was. I want to note at this point in time that Andrew Ibrahim, who's also working at Signature FX, he has provided a message, and his message is clear and unequivocal. And that message is to buy Bitcoin and don't sell. And if we have a look quickly at his screenshot here, so this screenshot would have been taken on the 20th of October. This was well before our video that we posted on YouTube on the 28th. So this would have been 8 days before our video. And Andrew posted hashtag Bitcoin hit 6,000, did it? Laughing with tears, and then 6,800, then 13,000 for 2018. Hashtag Happy New Year, rocket ship. And he got a bit of comment on that. This was about 2 weeks ago, just over 2 weeks ago. And he has always been a staunch believer that Bitcoin is going to the moon, and that Bitcoin is something that you don't sell. And that's a good thing about having a group like Signature FX, because you don't want everybody to agree with one another. You want differing views and different opinions, and that helps to bring about informed decisions. So just wanted to show you this one. Andrew Ibrahim from Signature FX has said, buy Bitcoin and don't sell. This was way back on the 20th of October. So I have to tip my hat. I'm eating humble pie at the moment. And I admit when I get it wrong. And in this case, I got it majorly wrong. Let's have a quick look at what happened. So this is where we were around the 28th, sorry. We're around this area here on the chart. So basically we were right in the meat of this when we posted, and then we said that we were looking for a bit of a turn down. We got a little bit of a turn up, so this part was pretty spot on. And then what happened after that is, I mean, there's nothing that I can really say. I mean, it's still going. It's still going. So, I guess the reason for this move up is the next question. So, what happened shortly after our video was released was that there was news from the CME Group, which is the world's largest and most diverse derivatives market. And the CME, actually, I think I have a link here. CME Group announced that it will be intending to launch Bitcoin futures in Q4 2017, and that's going to be just pending any relevant regulatory reviews. And that really gave legitimacy on the regulated markets to Bitcoin, and caused that higher move upward. The other big, I guess, the other big news event or celebration event headline, fundamental, was that Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper entitled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published and was actually released to the public 9 years ago. And lots of people on blogs and on social media consider this to be Bitcoin's 9th birthday, because the white paper was released on the 31st of October in 2008. And I believe that also provided quite a bit of excitement for Bitcoin buyers, and Bitcoin as a result moved higher off the back of that move. So we saw quite an intense rally that's still ongoing as we speak right now. I mean, Bitcoin is still in the 7,000s at the moment. What else is happening this week, or happened this week? It was, well, this could be a stretch, but International Internet Day. Perhaps there were some people buying off the back of that. I don't think there was one particular event that's caused Bitcoin to kind of rise. I don't think it was anything to do with the BOJ's interest rate statement or the Fed's interest rate statement. Bitcoin Gold did officially begin trading this week, and we had the BOE, Bank of England, their first interest rate increase in over 10 years. So, I mean, quite a few threads of information that came through over the wires. But what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna delete all of this stuff here, because it's clearly not finished its move higher. Bitcoin at the moment is sitting at a whopping 7,454 as of this recording. I'm gonna try and get this video posted. Get this video posted by the end of the day. But the main moral of this story is to always have a stop loss. In this instance, our stop loss was triggered at a loss of 0.9% on the trade, so we didn't really lose much by way of profits or capital. However, it was the first video for Signature FX, and personally I feel responsible for coming up and posting this video to say sometimes you get it wrong, and that's the beauty or the consequences of investing in these markets. So we're going to watch Bitcoin closely. As I said, Andrew Ibrahim has always been a staunch believer in buying Bitcoin, and he is adamant not to sell it. On this move upward, I will say that once our stops were triggered in this region, we decided to buy some more Bitcoin, and so at the moment we are just patiently waiting for our next setup. We will be looking at expanding Signature FX in the coming months. Thank you for watching, and make sure to click that like button and subscribe to our videos. Just so you know, down the pipeline we have further videos on Bitcoin where we see it going into 2018. We also have information about other currencies and other commodities. So thank you for watching. My name is Padias Grove, and on behalf of Andrew Ibrahim and the whole Signature FX team, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and happy trading.